I was having problems with blood in my stool, right? So I went to the day clinic. They told me to go to the emergency room, and over there they did a CAT scan that came out abnormal, and they admitted me to have a colonoscopy.
Mr. Ceballos came to me after a diagnosis of colon cancer. It was a right-sided colon cancer, which was diagnosed on a colonoscopy.
A doctor who had seen me there, who had operated on me before for a small abscess, he recommended the institute and Dr. Massarotti, saying that they are really leading experts in the field in this area. So
We did a full metastatic workup, and at that point decided to go to surgery. We started with laparoscopic surgery. However, upon arriving into his abdomen, we did find that the mass was much larger than we originally anticipated. It was involving the left side of the colon, and therefore we performed open surgery. We performed what's called an en bloc resection, where we resect the colon and all surrounding bowel, as well as all surrounding lymph nodes, to cure him of cancer.
oh, it was wonderful since the beginning. Just connection and all that. He's like, well, I'm from Colombia. I speak Spanish, and she notices that, and we find out that she is learning the Spanish or trying to improve her Spanish because here in Florida, a lot of her patients are Hispanic. So she's trying to get better in her Spanish so she can communicate with her patients. So that speaks about how she is as a person and as a doctor. So yeah, it's immediately we connected, and it was thought great of her. Yes.
So I have a distinct memory of walking into the waiting room after Mr. Ceballos' surgeries to talk to his family. I met his mother and mother-in-law, who are both Spanish-speaking from their native countries. I was able to communicate to them in Spanish that their son and son-in-law was doing well, and he was recovering, and he was safe, and that everything went well in surgery.
There are no words. That's words of gratitude. I will say gracias. I mean, is having been diagnosed with something like this, or that they find something in your body, is always bad news. But I feel really lucky that I run into such a great team and doctors, and that's what I will tell her.